You are probably looking at a Ninja air fryer oven right now and wondering if it is actually going to replace your standard oven or just take up half your kitchen counter. Well, I bought the top 6 models to find out which one is actually worth your money, and one of them is a complete game changer. In this video, I am breaking down the absolute 6 best Ninja air fryer toaster ovens on the market right now. You definitely want to stick around for number 1 because it completely changed how I cook dinner every single night. Number 6. Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was immediately struck by just how massive it is. I mean, it genuinely looks like a commercial piece of equipment sitting right there on your countertop. It boasts a ton of functionality with 10 different cooking modes, including air fry, whole roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate. The digital display handle is a nice touch that frees up space on the control panel. You can fit a whole 5-pound chicken and a sheet pan of vegetables in here at the exact same time, which sounds amazing on paper. But here's what matters when you actually start using it every day. The true surround convection feature does cook food incredibly fast and evenly. I roasted a chicken in this and it came out perfectly crispy on the outside and wonderfully juicy on the inside. Well, there is a pretty big catch. This thing gets incredibly hot on the outside. I mean, you have to be really careful not to accidentally brush your hand against the glass or the top metal casing while it's running. The fan is also quite loud, so it kind of dominates the room when you're trying to have a normal conversation in the kitchen. While it is powerful, it feels like overkill for the average person. It eats up so much counter space that you really have to ask yourself if you need a second full-size oven in your house. 5. Ninja Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven SP101. This is the famous model that flips up and away when you are not using it. I was really excited to test this one because counter space is always at an absolute premium in my kitchen. The main selling point here is obviously the space-saving design. It has 8 cooking functions and promises to air fry, roast, and toast just as well as the bigger models. You just fold it up against your backsplash and suddenly you have your entire counter back. In my testing, it did a fantastic job with flat foods. Making toast, bagels, or a quick sheet pan of frozen French fries was super fast, and the air fry function delivered that satisfying crunch you really want. It preheats in about 60 seconds, which is ridiculously convenient when you are in a rush. But then you try to cook something a little taller, and you run into its biggest flaw. The interior height is extremely limited. You cannot fit a whole chicken in here, and even a slightly tall baking dish is going to scrape the top heating elements. I found myself really frustrated when I wanted to make a simple casserole and realized it just would not fit. Plus, cleaning the inside is a serious chore. Grease splatters up onto those top elements, and because the space is so cramped, it is really hard to get a sponge in there to scrub it properly. 4. Ninja Foodi Digital Air Fry Oven SP100 Series. Now, you might be wondering how this is different from the model we just talked about. Well, this is essentially the classic, reliable workhorse of the entire lineup. It features a slightly more streamlined set of options, but still gives you the core functions you actually need, like air fry, air roast, bake, and toast. It maintains that same low-profile design, but I found the build quality on this specific series to feel just a bit more reliable over long-term use. When I tested this series, I focused heavily on daily tasks. I mean, I used it for everything from reheating leftover pizza to roasting Brussels sprouts. It handles these everyday jobs beautifully. The heat distribution feels surprisingly consistent for such a flat machine. I actually appreciate that it does not try to do too many things at once. Sometimes having fewer buttons just makes the whole cooking process less stressful. It still has the height limitation, of course, but as a dedicated secondary oven for quick flat meals, it performs admirably.
This model earns its spot by being a dependable, straightforward machine. If you know exactly what you are getting, a low-profile oven for sheet pan meals, then this is a very solid choice that will not disappoint you.
Ninja SP351 Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. This one takes the flip-up concept and fixes some of the glaring issues from the earlier models. It is a major step up in performance. This model introduces the dual heat technology and comes with a specialized sear plate. It also features an increased height capacity, which is a huge deal. You get up to 13 functions here, including a dedicated smart thermometer system that plugs right into your food. Let me tell you, the sear plate completely changed my opinion on countertop ovens. I was able to get a genuine crust on a steak right on my kitchen counter. The machine uses direct conductive heat from the bottom plate alongside the superheated convection air from the top. And having that extra interior height means you can actually fit a small roast in here without it burning against the top coils. The smart thermometer is incredibly accurate too. You just set your desired doneness and the oven literally turns itself off when your food hits that exact temperature. It is such a relief to not have to babysit your dinner. The only reason it is not higher on the list is that it still takes up a fair amount of vertical space when flipped up, blocking some under-cabinet lighting. But overall, it is a fantastic performer. Ninja DCT 451 12-in-1 Smart Double Oven with FlexDoor. This machine is an absolute powerhouse. When I saw the 2 separate ovens in one unit, I knew I had to put it through its paces. The standout feature is obviously the FlexDoor. You can open just the top rapid oven for quick snacks, or open the full door to access both the top and the bottom convection and air fry oven. It allows you to cook 2 totally different foods at 2 different temperatures at the exact same time. I tested this by baking delicate chocolate chip cookies in the top oven while aggressively air frying some spicy chicken wings in the bottom. The Smart Finish technology synced them up perfectly so they both finish cooking at the exact same second. You know, it sounds like magic, but it really works. There is 0 flavor transfer between the 2 zones. My cookies did not taste like buffalo sauce, and my wings were perfectly crispy. It is incredibly well insulated too, so the outside stays much cooler than the earlier models we talked about. Bottom line, if you are cooking for a family and constantly need to juggle different dishes, this is an incredible tool. It brings so much versatility to your kitchen. The only slight drawback is the price tag, but for the convenience of 2 independent ovens, it is completely justified. Ninja French Door Premier FO101. This is without a doubt the most impressive countertop oven I have ever used. It takes everything Ninja has learned and wraps it in a stunningly beautiful package. The first thing you notice are the French doors. You pull one handle and both doors glide open smoothly at the same time. It feels incredibly premium and gives you this massive, wide-open access to the huge interior. You can easily slide in a large pizza or a heavy Dutch oven with 0 awkward maneuvering. Testing this oven was an absolute joy. I baked artisan bread, roasted massive cuts of meat, and air-fried huge batches of fries. The heat distribution is flawless. Everything comes out looking like it was cooked in a professional bakery or a high-end restaurant kitchen. I mean, it is just so intuitive to use. The digital controls are bright and easy to read, and the interior lighting is actually bright enough to let you see your food cooking. Cleanup is remarkably easy because the crumb tray slides right out, and the interior walls wipe down completely clean with just a damp cloth. Here is the absolute truth. It looks beautiful on the counter, it performs better than my actual full-size wall oven, and it makes cooking genuinely fun. If you want the absolute best Ninja air fryer toaster oven on the market, this is the one you need to buy right now.